In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush Keyword Magic Tool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to run a smart keyword search, and how to understand the results so you can build stronger SEO strategies with confidence. Start on your Semrush homepage. This is your central hub, and it's the quickest way to access the research tools you'll use most. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard so the navigation is visible across the top and side. Next, click on SEO. This opens the SEO Toolkit area, which groups together research and analysis features specifically designed to help you find opportunities, understand your competition, and plan content. Think of it as the doorway to everything keyword related you'll be using today. From here, click on Keyword Magic Tool. This takes you into a focused workspace built for discovering keyword ideas at scale. Front and center, you'll see a search bar. Nearby, you'll typically find selectors for database location and language. Before you search, choose the country or market that matches your audience so the metrics reflect where you want to rank. Now, use the search bar to enter a seed keyword, the broad term your audience might start with. Hit search and the tool will generate a large set of related keywords along with helpful metrics. You'll see options that help you navigate and refine your research, including groups and subgroups that cluster similar keyword themes, as well as a dedicated view for questions. These are great for building articles, FAQs, and how-to content that align closely with what people actually ask. As you scan the results, pay close attention to search volume, which estimates monthly demand, and keyword difficulty, which signals how competitive a term is to rank for. Intent indicates whether users want information to compare options or to buy. Useful context for matching keywords to pages. Trend can reveal seasonality and cost per click hints at commercial value. Long-tail phrases, usually longer, more specific queries, often come with clearer intent and lower difficulty, making them excellent targets for newer sites or niche pages. Use the options in the interface to narrow your list to keywords that balance realistic difficulty with meaningful volume. Aim for a mix of head terms for visibility and long tails for quicker wins. As you explore, keep your audience's language in mind and note recurring modifiers like best, near me, or how to, which can guide content angles. Once you've explored your options and identified promising terms, you'll have a focused set of keywords ready to inform your content and SEO plan. That's the core workflow for getting value from the Semrush Keyword Magic Tool.